Choosing the right course and university is the first and most crucial step in your journey to study abroad. With thousands of courses and over 160k universities in UK, the choice must feel overwhelming. And that's where FK Global Educational Ventures comes in. It is here to guide you step by step so you make a very wonderful decision for your future. Our personalized approach is your goal, your interest, your future first. At FK Global, we believe there is no one size fits all. When it comes to education, every student or every human being has different circumstances, different goals, different aspirations, and unique talents. Our goal is to understand you and match you to the best course and best university. 1. Let's talk about comprehensive career and academic assessment. We begin with a one-to-one consultation to understand your academic background, subjects you enjoy and perform well in, your long-term career goals, and preferred industry or roles. Based on all of this information, we help you narrow down fields of study that aligns with your goals, strengths, and ambitions. For example, if you love biology, but you also love helping people, we might suggest a career path like biomedical sciences, nursing, or public health. Number 2, course matching and finding the right program. We go just beyond course names. FK Global provides insights into course content and structure, length of study and study modes, availability of placement, research opportunities, or study abroad options. We also help you choose courses that are relevant to your career goals, academically suited to your background, offers by institutions that support international students well. Number 3, university selections. Once we identify the right course, we help you choose where to study it by evaluating university reputations and rankings, that is, general and subject specific, tuition fees and scholarships, the location, campus facilities, and the support they give to international students. FK Global has inside knowledge of which universities are known for specific strengths. For example, University of Hertfordshire. It's excellent for engineering and business with a strong employability support. Cardiff Metropolitan University. It is world renowned for research and STEM. De Montfort University. It is known for practical, career focus, and their quality of teaching. Number 4, considering your budget. As we all know, education is a major investment. So with F Global, we help you compare tuition fees across universities, compare cost of living within different UK cities, identify universities that offer value of money, highlight scholarship opportunities, and funding support. Number 5, guiding you through the shortlist. Once we've matched your academic profile to a budget across range of different universities, FK Global will create shortlists of 3 to 5 best fit, walk you through their strengths and differences, and help you prioritize based on your preference. Number 6, application strategy and support. After you've made your decision, FK Global will help you create and edit a very good personal statement tailored to each course. Prepare required documents such as transcripts, references, and many more. They will also help you track deadlines and submit applications on time via UCAS or directly. Why should students trust FK Global for course and university selection? We offer one-to-one counseling options tailored for you. We give you in-depth knowledge about courses and universities. We also give you the best honest and practical advices. Realistic guidelines based on your grades, goals, and budget. We also give you ongoing support from course choice to application and beyond. Start your UK journey today with confidence. Choosing the right course and university is your foundation for success. With FK Global Educational Venture by your side, you won't have to make that decision alone. Book for a free consultation today and let our experts guide you step by step.
Before you go, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram for real stories, helpful tips, and content made for you.